How to save winter kill grass. A beautiful green, year-round lawn is probably the desire of every homeowner. Unfortunately, the winter can be very unforgiving to lawns. When harsh winter winds, ice, and snow attack, it can do significant damage to our grass. As a result, grass can be damaged almost beyond repair. However, you can revive grass which died in the winter and bring life back to your lawn. Things you'll need: rake or power dethatcher, fertilizer, grass seeds. To thatch your lawn after the first thaw in early spring. To have a chance to save grass that died during the winter, you need to be able to get to the soil and roots. If the thatch is less than an inch, you can use a simple rake. But if the thatch is more than an inch, use a power dethatcher. You can rent one at a local lawn care store. Aerate your lawn in order to break up the soil and allow oxygen to reach the roots. This activity gives your grass a fighting chance for recuperation. Sprinkle the lawn lightly with grass seeds. Try using grass seeds that are adaptable to all kinds of weather. You may want to consider cool climate turf grass. Consult your local lawn grass dealer for more information. Fertilize the lawn in order to give nitrogen the chance to promote a healthy green color in the grass. See reference 1. Fertilization supplies the needed nutrients to keep your grass healthy. It is a key practice in good lawn maintenance, and should always be done in the early fall and early spring. Give your lawn a good watering. Water needs to soak into the soil all the way down to the grass roots. This technique offers the best chance for reviving your grass. You should be able to see a gradual improvement in about 2 weeks. Tips. Warnings. The best way to avoid winter kill grass is to properly take care of your lawn throughout the year. Keep your grass well fertilized and neatly trimmed. Constantly remove weeds and keep neighborhood debris off your lawn. Don't smother your grass with old heavy appliances that you have discarded. Sometimes it may not be possible to save grass that died in winter, especially if your grass has been neglected year after year. Such grass has been damaged for many winters and the soil may be ruined. Layers of thatch may have accumulated and thickened. In this case, you may have to hire landscapers to put down new sod and replant the right type of grass that will adapt to any type of climate.